A parent hands their child a smartphone. It's a moment of pride, a milestone, but also a little breathe a little easier knowing we're not sending our kids into the digital world unprepared. The big three tech giants, Google, Apple, and Microsoft, offer robust parental control options. These tools are designed to be easy to use and adapt as your child grows. Google Family Link is a great place to start for Android devices and Chromebooks. You can set screen time limits, manage app downloads, and even track your child's location. Apple Family Sharing, available for iPhones, iPads, and Macs, offers similar features. It allows you to control purchases, restrict content, and locate your child's device. Microsoft Family Safety works across Windows PCs, Xboxes, and even offers limited features on Android and iPhones. You can monitor screen time, filter websites, and track your child's activity. Parental control features are like a Swiss Army knife for parents navigating the digital age. Let's look at some of the most valuable tools. Location tracking provides peace of mind, allowing you to see your child's location on a map. Screen time management helps you set healthy limits on device usage. This prevents excessive screen time and encourages other activities. App usage monitoring allows you to see which apps your child uses, and for how long. You can identify potentially problematic apps and discuss responsible usage. Content filtering is essential for blocking inappropriate websites and content. You can choose age-appropriate filters and customize them to your family's values. These features work together to create a safe and controlled digital environment for your child. Remember, parental controls are not about spying on your children or restricting their freedom. They are about empowering them to make smart choices and develop healthy digital habits. As your children grow, their digital needs will change. The beauty of these parental control systems is their flexibility. You can adjust the controls to give your children more freedom as they demonstrate responsibility. Involve them in the process. Talk to them about online safety, responsible device use, and the importance of balance. Share this information with other parents. The digital world can be daunting, but together, we can equip our children with the tools and knowledge they need to thrive. Let's make the digital world a safer and more enriching place for all children.